Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with Sinister RC, and today I have my WLtoys 124008, and today I'm going to be doing a gearing change. This thing comes with a 60 tooth with, I can't remember how many are in there, but this is stock. I captured a video on YouTube the other day from Custom Toy Revolution where he figured out the formula to use a 44T Spur gear with a 19 tooth Pinion. He was getting 50 miles an hour out of it. Stock motor, ESC, 3S battery. The 44T is like in the 124019, 124008, and so on. And this is its Pinion gear, 27T. I got this metal one, and this one here, the 62, this one I pulled out of this car recently because I broke a tooth. So I'm going to yank this out, slide this down on there, and we're going to get that in there. I got a spare motor. In fact, I'm going to put all this on there with the motor mount. So all I got to do is slide them in and out. If it doesn't work out, I'll just slide in the old system and go from there. But the metal that they're sending on these 008s is real soft. Even on my own videos, I've seen a few comments where guys are having the same issue and they weren't even jumping it. They were just running it speed runs and such. So this is very soft. I'm home with a scale. If not, I do have a plastic 44T that'll work. Then I'm going to get this thing apart and show the insides of it, spray the tear down. So I ended up going with the 27 tooth or 44 tooth because it fit a lot better. Now the 19T, I could not get that mesh to come tight. It wouldn't come tight in here. And so I noticed with the mount, like on the old mount here, you can see where that line is. I flipped the mount over and brought it out so I was able to fit that gear, and the mesh is beautiful. We'll see what this brushless does with this combo set. Steel gears, and I mean, it looks really nice. It's fit really good. Get a lot of that grease out of there. Get it together and see what kind of run I can get out of this. Okay, I gave her a little facelift, brand new wheels, pretty good grab. Put the body off of my 010 on it because I like that orange so much better. It's pretty sharp. Let's see what this gearing change does. I'm using the controller from my 019 camera attachment. Get it on the street and let's see what happens. Look at that, 52 miles an hour with that gear change, but I did hit a overheat, I believe. Okay, 52 miles an hour is screaming on stock. I mean, that's dead stock battery. ESC, although I think I overheated and my car shut down. I'm gonna try again. Let's turn this guy on. Cogging. Ooh, I might have broke a gear. I think it did. Well, that's fine. Just hot. I'll open it up and see what happened in there. If not, I'll just change those gears back. But 52 is not bad. Maybe an ESC change, which I have one in the house. It's just got different bullet connectors there. So 52 miles an hour isn't bad, but it was at cost to this ESC. That when my car suddenly stopped, this is what happened. I was walking it back And it was smoking pretty good, and I have completely smoked the stock ESC. So back to the drawing board. I'm not sure how many amps these guys are. I'm going to put a larger ESC in it, keep the gear set, and see if I can't get a little more out of that. I was on the trigger pretty good when it suddenly stopped, so I think I can probably get a touch more out of it. But in the end, this is my damage report. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part of this video with a new ESC and see where we go from there.